Hi everyone. So this is going to be the exciting. I can't wait. So opened up the external packaging already. So we got my little thank you card as always, and yes, in here is lots of goodness for next year. So let's rip into it. Try not to rip this too much. Oh, it's gonna happen though. So we've got a bag. Oh, tissue paper. And we've got, oh, it's too big to fit in, and calendar. So we'll do this one first. Save the best till last. So this is the 2020 calendar. And it's just the blank one that you can decorate yourself. So we'll open it up. And I love the big pouches that these come in because they're so handy for all other things. So I got this calendar for this year, last year. And it just allows me another sort of crafting outlet because it's a blank one. So you get the gel pens. I've already got some from the last calendar, but it's always handy to have a few more because it has black paper, so and these work really well on the black paper. And then there's some mini card die cuts which we'll have a look at. So these ones are all, I can't remember what last year's were. Oh, stuck. So this is cat, fries, a bird, a bee, pineapple, unicorn, pretzel, rainbow, a little poodle. Now, if I was a good Kikki.K person, I could tell you what collection they're from if these are from a collection, but I don't know. But they're all cute little images. And actually, I quite like them on the black background. So they're all the little die cuts. So they're cute to be used for decorative things. And then I can't zoom out anymore, but this is the 2020 calendar. So you have a black. You have all this area here to just decorate in, add photos, journal, whatever. And then you've got the calendar down the bottom. So it's black. And then when you flip it over, it's white on this, just plain. So I use this for keeping track of shop things and all the rest of it. So I'll just show you what I've done with this year's. And the good thing... Oh, and there's stickers in the back. Oh, I forgot about that. Let me have a look. So I go through all the years, then in the back, there's stickers. So you've got your 2020s and just all different shapes and all that sort of stuff. The things for annual leave and all that. Oh, the glare's a bit bright. How about... we need some lights. Sorry about the glare. So they're cute. They're in pastel colours. I think they were pastel last year. Oh no, they were a bit different last year. So this is 2019. Oh, I'm knocking everything over. 2019, and this is 2020. So there's a bit, it's more pastel this year. So we'll go through this one. So what I decided to do with mine was I get the Planners Anonymous subscription boxes, and I decided to use their papers and die cuts and stuff to decorate each month. So because this has a perforated line that you can tear them off, and then you've got this little sort of art book left. So this is January, so I've decorated the top and then also the bottom with the stamps and die cuts. Oh. And February with beautiful sunflower, once again from Planners Anonymous. some stickers about Planner Day and whatever I need else to do, and some washi tape and die cuts on the bottom. This is March, so I've been trying to sort of match the month to the decoration, and then some washi tape and down the bottom. And then this is Kaiser Craft, their succulents collection, so that was April, and their beautiful die cuts on the bottom. May was a beautiful fairground with the beautiful washi. And then we hit winter in June, so I got the beautiful scene there, and I added these stickers here, and then the washi tape with the foil on the bottom. And this was the Book Lovers kit from Planners Anonymous. Their die cuts and washi down the bottom with the foiling, you can see. August, empty. Haven't quite, I'll go back and do these. And then this is my absolute favourite one, is September with the In Bloom kit. And my bees, and with the bees, I'm not sure if you can see, but I've popped their wings up on some foam adhesive. And then the washi tape I've trimmed down the bottom. And then added the bees over the dates that were not used. October. Whoops. November. Oh well. So yes, I've got some catching up to do, but that's how I use that calendar. So I can't wait to get using that again. Now, this is the big one. This is the new Kikki.K planner bags, and hiding in here is the new grey Dream Life V6. Oh my god, it is, oh, looks divine. So let's get into it. It is so soft. Ooh, oh, this is so soft. Look at that. And it's got the debossed Dream in it. Oh yeah, that is so soft. So it's got the Kikki.K on the back, and it's got the what we now know as the new sort of binding on that, so you can make it really tight or loosen it off. And then the I'm unique, so no two planners are the same. So just basically it's the warranty and shows you how to open up the rings if you're new. It's a little protector for the zip, which is beautiful. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 credit card pockets, secretarial one, and that one. Now this, yeah, so this is not a leather planner, but oh my god, it is so soft. So this has been created to go with the Dream Life series. If I can, it's all stuck in there. So it's all yellow inside. So we'll have a quick flip through. I'll just slide that off. So this is all to match the Dream Life stuff that Kikki.K puts out, so it's all in yellow, which actually goes with the grey beautifully. So we'll just, oh, it's a notebook. So it's just lined paper with the Dare to Dream. So that's cute, something different I haven't seen before. Some stickers, so be fearless, make time, dream big, etc. Some clouds and spots. What are we, oops, oh, I'm knocking everything. So I'll take these out and hold up. So these are the tabs you can put on, and other bits, other stickers. Ow. Is that in focus? There we go. Some shapes a birthday cake, coffee cup, dinner, flight, wine, YouTube or movies, and the gym. And then here's a bit of a statement. So it's Denise, am committed to making my dream life a reality, and all that. So sort of making a pledge to yourself and going through all that sort of stuff. So then each of the tabs, there's a couple that are already labelled for you, and you can add your others. So it just goes through how to use it all. I'm not going to go through all of that because I'm not going to be using it for that. So there's all your dreams and how all that sort of stuff. And then it's got the 101 dream list. So this is actually quite similar to the Dream Life Journal. It looks like they may have put it into planner form. So there's 101, what your passions are, values, your purpose, and then the Dream Life Arena. How do you rate your life and all that sort of stuff. And it's got a little vision board in there, which is cute, so you can have one on the go. And master action lists and all that sort of stuff. So there's heaps of space to write all these. This is a dream life area, so smart actions and vision boards. Oh, okay, I get it. So this is a dream life area, and it's got all the bits and pieces to achieve that dream. Then there's another one to achieve, and all the stuff you need to achieve your dream life. There's 1, 2, 3 of those. And then there's a calendar in the back. So this is the monthly. So this is just the standard, what we call the standard B6 monthly now. So it's all the monthly pages. And then there's a monthly reflection section, so you can go through that. So how your dreams have progressed, and supports, because whenever we want to achieve anything, we need some support. So all the details in there. And then in the back is a Dream Big notepad. And then there's oh goody, there's an elastic pen loop hanging out the back. Now, as I said, I'm not going to be keeping these inserts. I will be rehoming those, and I will be putting the basic inserts from the cream one that I got last year, because I pulled a whole set out to put a mini happy planner in. So I do have an extra set, so that's what I'm going to put in here. But oh my god, this is so soft. So yes, so that's my Kikki.K haul. It's only 2 things, but they're 2 things that are going to make big improvements to hopefully keeping me on track in 2020. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for all sorts of other things from Luscious Labels. Bye.